welcome back to my channel. Here is where I make cheap, easy vegan meals and help you with a transition into a plant-based lifestyle. So today I'm going to be making a beet smoothie. I have raspberries, peanut butter, vanilla, banana, and beets. So that's all of my ingredients. Should be delicious. And I'm gonna peel the banana. Peel, banana, peel, banana. Anyways, I'm just putting them all into a measuring cup. A teaspoon of vanilla. I don't measure, as you guys know. So there's a teaspoon of vanilla. And then the next thing I'm going to add is peanut butter. I love peanut butter. Peanut butter is vegan, which is ironic because the name has butter in it, but there is no dairy in there. And just scoop that off. I'm pretty sure I added too much. It's supposed to be just 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, but whatever. Can't have too much peanut butter. And the next thing I'm gonna add is raspberries. You can pretty much add any kind of berries, but the raspberries will change it into a nice red, even more red color, as if it wasn't red enough. There they are. Beets are really good for you. They actually help to lower blood pressure and they have lots of antioxidants in them. They can help you increase your stamina for working out. So definitely suggest beets. I'm putting on these gloves because my mom told me before I started cooking that the beets were going to stain absolutely everything. And so I didn't want to stain my hands because I was filming something right afterwards. But yeah, I look like a crab. And so I'm cutting off all the sides. You don't want the outer layer of the beet in your food. I said don't try this at home, but I mean, obviously I want you to try to make the smoothie at home. I just don't want you to embarrass yourself with the gloves like I did. I also sometimes chop onions with swimming goggles on. Yeah, that's kind of embarrassing sometimes, but whatever works. One time I was cutting onions at my house when I had 6 roommates and they came in and were just like, oh my God. But then one of my roommates was doing the exact same thing a week later. So I like to think I'm a genius. So I'm putting all of that into my measuring cup. And I also forgot the soy milk. So add 1/2 cup of soy milk. Gonna wrap up my blender. And so here we are. I'm terrified that it's going to blow up in my face, but it didn't. So there's the smoothie. Look how delicious that looks. It's all red and yum. Matches my hair. And I'm tasting the smoothie. It tastes delicious as usual. Beets kind of have a slightly dry flavor, but it's really nice. And so I know that I only put 1 smoothie in this video, but I thought I would finish it off by showing you all of Daisy's cute little outfits. Let me just tie her into her outfits and we're gonna do a little fashion show for you guys. So this is her jean jacket. I think it's kind of funny because her name's Daisy, so like Daisy Dukes. Get it? Like the shorts, the jean shorts. Anyway, she doesn't get it either, but she looks super duper cute in this. Hi, Daisy. And this is her little fall sweater. She's hanging out in my dad's garden. Don't tell him. And she's sniffing around, and I really hope she's not looking for a place to poop. Oh no. Okay. And this is the first outfit she ever got. When I first got my dog, my mom sent this over to BC for her. It's a little tracksuit and it's from Dog. I'm pretty sure it's Adidas. They just made a dog outfit. And I'll show you guys the little logo on the back. And there it is. So her next outfit is a little princess dress that my dad got from Ecuador. She loves it. She's able to run in it and everything. It's pink. Rory was living his best life, just chilling, and then she comes out like a little temptress in her pink dress. And this one, I know she hates this outfit. This is her winter jacket. Look, Daisy, nobody likes winter. Nobody likes wearing a winter jacket, but this is it. And then she basically just gives up and lays down after I put the hood on. She didn't move until I lifted the hood up. Yeah, That's her protest. I'm not going anywhere. Hi, Daisy. Yeah, she's not about it. So we're probably not going to wear this until she needs it in the winter. Good thing she has a natural fur coat. This little jacket is faux fur. And this is her tie-dye shirt. I'll insert a picture in here. Me and her have a matching outfit. I have my tie-dye shirt and she has hers. But she's just living her best life. Right off the streets of China to the runway. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. This was a lot of fun to film, and I hope that you try out this delicious smoothie and enjoyed the videos of my dog and all of her outfits. If you want to hear the story about my dog and how I rescued her from China, comment below, or leave me some suggestions for other videos that have foods that I should cook. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at samwasfound. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.